Hi Eric, this is Geoff, my mate. Jeff's gonna play some bits and pieces on your bass, and he's gonna obviously show off some of the tonal abilities of it with the EQ. So the signal path, Eric, is out of the bass. Blue cable comes up, goes into the cork tuner, comes out of the cork tuner, down the green cable, into Jeff's Galleon Kruger, and then into the 112. Okay, all right, Geoff.
That's just on both pickups, so without getting involved in.
Okay, I think we've covered everything, Geoff. Thank you very much. So as you can see, Eric, I don't know what this. I'm filming it with my phone, so I'm not sure what the audio output of the phone will be. Quality of the microphone in the phone, I've no idea. But in the workshop, it sounds formidable. It really does. Some of the lows, I was sort of talking to Geoff about the low C on it. You know, on the B string, it's got a lot of energy. It's a really, really nice. You know, there is that low C note. It sort of tends to want to ring on forever. You do a low B, Geoff. B's about the same as well, Eric. So,
and we're quite often on a B string. When you start going further up, they get muddier. There's still a lot of clarity. So playing in G. So very, very clear B string.
and the other thing that Geoff was mentioning earlier, before we started videoing, was the string balance on the pickups. You know, each string sounds equal in output, so you know there's you know a good string balance there as well. So all in all, it's a fantastic little bass. Well, not so little. Hello, Geoff. I think that's about it, mate. Thank you very much. So thanks for Geoff. So all right, Eric. Speak to you soon. Bye.